Hello guys, kalau helm mati nggak? Kalau helm. Hello guys, come back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Okay, this time I want to talk about ocean maritime owners. Research injures maritime workers nationwide, office in Texas and Lautasania.
Rasa mantap.
Yang kalau ini juga kamu
Oh iya wes starter.
Just like any other industry, seamen are at risk for suffering work-related injury and time. Anytime they are on the clock, the course recognize this and are continually working to protect injured seamen through control maritime law. Maritime law workers who have been injured service are in the maritime industry, they can set to claim necessary compensation for money suffering or medical complication. The following are fundamental to maritime law. General maritime law is the basis for all injuries sustained by seamen. It is important to have a comprehensive understanding of the general law before delving into the subsequent acts. Next, history of admiralty and maritime law. Maritime law, also referred to as admiralty law, is nearly as old as the shipping industry itself and governs most accidents that occur on navigable waters. The laws can be tracked back to the unwritten custom of nautical behavior of the Egyptians and Greeks. However, the earliest formal codes were established around on the Greek island. First, the original maritime law and core statement from the ancient customer and rules of shipping. For example, the doctrine of general reference, the concept that all sea cargo stakeholder or shipper evenly serve any damage and loss that might occur as a result of a voluntary sacrifice of part of the vessel or cargo to save the world can be traced back to the early shipping customer of the Rhodians. The concept of a separate legal authority regulating maritime issue was brought to the first by Earl of Aquitaine, Guardian of the Conservancy Company. Their first banking law is 7 offerings to the Mediterranean. On the second crusades, the term Admiralty law came from the British Admiralty Courts, who preside over maritime matters separately from England law courts, as the U.S. judicial system is based on the British system. Admiralty law were gradually incorporated into our legal system soon after the Constitution was ratified. Whereas the maritime law applies, perhaps most obviously maritime law applies to events that occur on high seas. In other words, accidents that happen beyond the territorial waters of any country. Furthermore, maritime law applies to the territorial seas or waters within 12 miles of the shore. However, the law applicability becomes less clear further inland. Early in the disaster history, maritime law did not apply to incidents that constitute within the body of the country, and therefore excludes incidents involve the floating lakes and not inland waterways. However, track of the transition during this exclusion are the way. The maritime law is now applicable to the navigable waters. Waters is navigable if by itself or by uniting with other waters. It can serve as a continuous highway over which commerce is or might be carried on which other states are foreign countries. Consequently, if a body or whether is completely landlocked within a single state, then it is not navigable for purpose of admiralty jurisdiction. However, a body of water does not need to blow but wishes to be then navigable. A body of water might be then navigable if it is a link in a chain of bodies of water that can be used to service interstate commerce within the test is that the commerce of one state must be capable of being carried into another state or a foreign country. Once this test has been passed, it is likely that maritime law will be applicable even if it is a recreational vessel. A vessel incident that required Texas maritime accident attorneys. Houston Maritime Injury Attorneys assist to help seamen and dock workers get the compensation they need to recover from service injury and overload the medical costs that occur offshore that include any accident that occur on navigable waters, river and ocean and in harbors or docks. One notable aspect of maritime accident is that they are often devastating offshore. Already explosion cause significant damage. Vessel collisions are frequently catastrophic, and oil platform can finally change the workers recovery of the compensation. The whether they suffering after a major explosion or have injuries caused by unfair working conditions. Our maritime attorneys represent more crew members of the Deepwater Horizon and the El Faro than any other law firm, but not only understand maritime law but the practice and culture of maritime employees. Speak with you to discuss your case so we can go over your legal and finance options. Next. Okay guys, this is a discussion about insurance. Okay guys, this is a discussion about host maritime layer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel and see you next time.